everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Afina Putri Sanjani with student identification number K7230005 from Class A Office Administration Education 11 Maret University 2023. In this video, I will present an argument regarding the election to fulfill in the final assessment for the citizenship course taught by Miss Nur Sulistiani SHMH. Okay, enjoy and happy watching. Election stand for general election with a democratic process of determining people, representative or state leaders in a responsible manner. In my opinion, Indonesia electronic procedure have undergone significant development from the past to the present. Some important changes have been made to improve transparency and fairness in the voting and counting process. Number 1, voter registration process. In the past, the voter registration process was often complicated and time-consuming. Voters had to take care of various documents and requirements that were often difficult to fulfill. But now, with the advent of electronic ID cards and nationwide voter data synchronization, the voter registration process has become easier and more efficient. Number 2, permanent voter list or GPT. In the past, GPT was often incoherent and prone to fraudulent practice, but now with better technology and system, the process of collecting voter data have improved the accuracy and suitability of the GPT. In addition, voters can also verify their presence in the GPT through online platforms such as the KPU application. Number 3, campaign and oversight. In the past, political campaigns were often violent and prone to the ethical violations. There was a tendency for intimidation, money, politics, and other unhealthy practice. Now, however, campaign rules are more strictly and intensive oversight is conducted to ensure equality and fairness in the campaign process. Number 4, voting and counting process. In general, the voting and counting process in Indonesia has made significant progress. Voters now use a vote box system which provides privacy and security for voters. The use of technology has also continued to provide, such as the use of election information system and electronic counting application to speed up the vote counting process. Despite significant improvement, there are still some challenges to be faced in Indonesian electronic process, such as the spread of hoax, money politics, ethical violations, and suboptimal voter procession. Nevertheless, the changes that have been made in electronic procedure have provided hope for improving democracy and strengthening public participation in Indonesia. The preferred abstention. There are several things that I think should consider and done. Number 1, political education. Number 2, clear information. Number 3, public discussion. And the last, number 4, social media campaign. Okay guys, I have an example of article entitled Police Instruksi to Post Prabowo Gibran Baliho. Is this a fact or hoax? there is an image circulating on social media Twitter X from a user account named Carmilla Sar 4560, which show a picture of the Prabowo and Gibran pair with the text read, "The apparatus is not neutral. The police are instructed to install Prabowo Gibran billboards." Launching from detik.com, Sufmi Dasko Ahmad as the chief strategist coordinator of the National Campaign Team atau TKN, said that the allegations of the involvement of Polri members in the installation of Prabowo and Gibran's billboards were impossible because of Prabowo's high electability. This is just a mere accusation of the creating parties. Bawaslu Chairman Rahmat Bagja said that there had been no report of the installation of Prabowo Gibran billboards by the police in East Java. However, his party has stretched the existing information. Quote from Kompas.com, the head of public relationship of the East Java Regional Police, Grand Commissioner Manto, denied any interference from the police in the installation of the billboards. Darmanto also said that the police would always be consistent in the maintaining naturalization ahead of the 2024 election. Thus, the claim that the police were instructed to install Prabowo Gibran billboards is untrue and false into misleading content. From the news above, I just want advise everyone not to immediately believe in the news circulating out there without accurate evidence, fact, and clarity. That's all the video my argument about the election. Don't lose the poll in the 2024 election because one vote is very determining on the country in the next 5 years. Thank you and see you.